Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and my name is Taiwo. So in this video I would like to show you how you can use one of Excel's random number generator called the rand function. I've already made two other videos on how you can use the rand between function and the rand array function in Excel to generate random numbers. You can check out those videos using the links below. But like I mentioned, in this video, we're just going to talk about the rand function. So to call this function up, it's very easy to use. It's very straightforward. Just click on anywhere in your Excel spreadsheet, tap on your equal sign on the keyboard, and then type the first few letters of that function you're trying to call. And in this case, we can see that I have rand array, and I have rand between. So rand will return a random number that is greater than or equals to 0, but will be lesser than 1. So double click on that and then tap, and that's it. It's very easy to use. You can, if you need it, if you need rows of random numbers, you can, just copy down, and you can even copy to the right to have like a table of random decimal numbers. There you have it. But there's a catch though. If you make the numbers will always change if you make any change within this spreadsheet. For example, let me say I type on 9 in this cell, and then tap on enter on my keyboard. Those numbers will change, but if you need them to remain same, what you can do is to copy them, copy those numbers, and then paste just the values. So you copy and then paste just the values. So that way, any change you make or any change made to the spreadsheet won't affect or won't change those numbers that you just generated. All right, that's it. Give it a try and let me know what you think. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.